Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Brave Programmer. How are you all? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Brave Programmer. How are you all? Hope you are doing well and in good health. So today in this video I am going to teach you about web development. So this is going to be our new course about web development where I'll teach you front end as well as back end. Now let's begin. So this video would be a playlist of at least 100 videos which would contain all the essential topic about web development, like how you can create full stack projects, and we would also try some example projects which will build up your confidence. So our today's topic is about what is web development and how you can do web development. So in order to begin with it, you need to learn HTML, CSS and JavaScript, which is for front end, and other languages for back end. So in order to begin with it, you need to learn HTML, which is the skeleton which can create buttons, text, etc. in your website, something like this. And if you add CSS into it, it is for styling, like you can add background, colors, etc. Then comes the JavaScript, which adds functionality like when you press a button, the login page will open. That is for JavaScript. So in order to write this piece of code, you need to install Visual Studio Code. So this is the installation process of Visual Studio Code. Then you need to install an extension called Live Server, which will help you further in your web development. Now after installing Visual Studio Code, you need to open it and make a new file by pressing this button, and you need to name it index.html. Now you need to press on Go Live button, which will open your browser and a white page in your browser, and this is the first website you have created. In the next video, I will teach you how you can make new tags, what are tags in HTML, what piece of code you have to write in your HTML to make the beautiful websites. Thank you.